Okay, this episode, another cooking episode. Toaster oven just turned off, so it's cooling down now. I set it for 25 minutes, and I had mentioned and showed this toaster oven. It only cost 20 bucks at Walmart. Unfortunately, I forget the name of it, but the features are pretty good. I mean, for 20 bucks. It's got a temperature mode, which you can set it on broil, bake, toast, doing toast, and the thermostat can be controlled up to 450 degrees. Okay, and then it has a timer, which can be set up to 30 minutes, or just leave the timer on, leave it on and off. Or you can set it, like I set it for 25 minutes to do what I'm doing. One of my favorites, and I splurge once in a while. I did a lot of episodes on like 50-cent meals and $1 meals and stuff. But occasionally I do the jumbo coconut shrimp and a couple others by CPAC. And you get about 20 big jumbo shrimp. It's about 10 bucks though, so it's like $5 a serving. 10 jumbo shrimp is good for a person. And that comes with this orange marmalade sauce, which is really tasty. You can either do that, or I do also cocktail sauce. So either or, they both taste good. So I'm splurging tonight. I put in 10 jumbo shrimp, and they just finished. I put them in for 25 minutes. Let me get my oven mitts. And I find that's a good time. If you put this on the bake mode, okay, nice and crispy. That's what I like. I love fried food and shrimp. Well, one of my favorites. Okay, so anyway, it's one of my splurge meals. $5 for all that shrimp. I'm telling you, these are good. Like I say, either the marmalade sauce or a cocktail sauce. And what I do is, though, these toaster ovens get super hot. You gotta be super careful with them. All these surfaces are hot. Front, sides, back. The only thing that they protect the bottom with these little plastic, supports. And I put it right on top of my propane stove, my propane burner. Okay, so this way it's very safe. Plenty of room in the back. Okay, be careful with your cord, extension cord. Make sure it does not touch the back. Now I run this off of a 1600 watt generator, little portable generator, only weighs like 40 pounds, called a Predator. Works good. I tried it on my 3000 watt inverter, and it kept tripping it because of the voltage drop. It's not that this thing puts out over 3000 watts. It's inverters are designed to trip off when they sense below 12 volts. And when these kick on, it drops the voltage down below 12 volts and it kicks off the inverter. So I use my little gas generator, portable generator. So anyway, recommend keep some fire extinguishers in your little pantry area. This, I'm in a travel trailer. I've got 2 fire extinguishers. I put in this outlet right here, 120 volt outlet, so I could hook this up, because it didn't have in this little travel trailer, it didn't have an outlet, believe it or not, 120 volt AC outlet. So I installed that. And I did some other things here. I've got an LED light also to light up things a little better. Hang my pots and pans. This is my my oven, my frying pan for the campfire. 14-inch long handle. This was made in the 1870s. And it's not cast iron. It's not very heavy, thick cast iron. This is sheet iron. Very lightweight. It's almost 14 inches across, very large, with the 14-inch long handle. So this way you can put it right over a campfire, right on the embers, or if you have a grill, over the campfire. The handle won't get hot. They put a double layer of sheet metal over the end of the handle here where you grab it, so it acts like a heat sink. It was invented in 1876, so pretty cool design, still works great. I'm glad I bought that many years ago, so I'm constantly cooking over a campfire with that. So anyway, I guess it's going to be one of my more expensive meals. You gotta splurge once in a while. You just gotta feel special and say, hey, I'm gonna have something really special. And these are really good, the C-Pack. They have a couple different types of shrimp, fried shrimp techniques. So anyway, that's it for this cooking episode. Midnight out in the desert, the Sonoran Desert. This is Eagle Eric signing off.